Hello friends, how you all? I'm back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to learn how to disable location tracking on Windows 11. Windows 11 uses location tracking for various apps and services. If you want to protect your privacy, here is how to turn off location tracking on Windows 11 with utmost ease. So to get started, you have to click on the Start button and then you have to choose the Settings app. In the Settings window, you have to click on Privacy and Security from the left sidebar. And then you have to scroll down to the App Permissions section, and then you have to click on Location to open Location Settings. And then you have to turn off the toggle right next to Location Services. However, if you only want to restrict location for certain apps, just scroll down to see a list of apps that use location services on your computer. And then you have to turn off location permission for specific apps by toggling the switch next to them. And if you want to clear your device location history, just scroll down to the Location History section and then click on the Clear option. It's worth pointing out that if you are signed into a Microsoft account, you will need to visit the account settings page online to disable location services linked to your account across devices. And that's pretty much it. You have successfully disabled location tracking on your Windows 11 device. This will enhance your privacy while still allowing you to control location access for specific apps when needed. And I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.